Hello, I'm Keith Ford, and welcome to another edition of From the Vault. In 1936, Smith Wesson introduced a blued 22-32 kick gun, and for 41 years, that was the only way that you could get that was in a blued version. But in 1977, they brought out the stainless steel kick gun, the Model 63, and there was a lot less having to worry about whenever you were outside if it got wet. I mean, stainless steel will rust a little bit, but not like the blued guns would, like the old 34s. So this is really geared towards the outdoor shooter and stuff. This is a little J-frame, 22 rimfire right here. And these are handy, neat little guns. I mean, they were meant to be thrown in a backpack while you were hiking, or in a tackle box, or a backpack whenever you're out running trap lines and stuff like that. But super cool little guns, and they shoot really good. Now, the companion piece to the Model 63 was the Model 651 22 Magnum kick gun. Now, you can get these in a couple of different configurations. You could get them in a round butt or the square butt like this one right here, a 2-inch snub nose, and there was also, for a very limited time, the 651 kick gun that had a convertible cylinder. You could swap out cylinders from 22 Magnum to 22 long rifle, and those are very limited production, and those tend to go for fairly expensive money, close to $2,000 now. And those will be in a box similar to this, but it'll say LSI, Lear Siegler. That was the Lear Siegler years at Smith & Wesson. This one right here is a post Lear Siegler, which is a Tompkins era gun, but still super fine little guns. Now, the stainless 63 was in production from 1977 to around 1998, and then a couple of years ago they brought them back as the 63 kick gun again, with a little 3-inch barrel and a round butt, but with the infamous lock on the side. And they're just not a collectible gun. They're a shooter, but as being collector guns, the pre-lock guns are the way to go. Now, what would ship with these guns would be the handgun itself right here. You'd have your manual right here, your warranty card, the warranty statement, cleaning rod with the brush. Earlier ones had a little screwdriver with them, and then the box that the gun came in. Now, the earlier versions, which were 2-piece boxes, were a blue upper that came off and then the blue bottom. But this is pretty much of a 1990s, 91, 92 gun, and great shooters, and still a collectible. So there you have it. That's my Model 63 kick gun. Now, I know that there's several folks out there that have these little kick guns and still enjoy shooting them. So if you do, leave us a comment. And while you're at it, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in again whenever we bring another gun from the vault.